You can see how how they are playing. These are the kids. These are the kids. They are very sweet. They are playing with their siblings. And she's their mom, who is little tired, fatigued, and taking rest while they are playing, guys. They are too cute. They are just like fighting like a human brothers sisters. No, I will watch a TV. No, no, no. I will watch this channel. Give me a remote, like this. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at this! Look at this! These are so cool. Oh my god! No one want to lose this fight. And just look at this, mom. They're watching the boys as fighting. She's enjoying, obviously. Hey, my God! Hey, has been watch this? He has disturbed, and there's one more little